Black Friday means savings, and Crock-Pot 7 Manual Slow Cooker is available at a fantastic price. Discover why it's a winner. Hey there, today I have to rave about the Crock-Pot 7 Manual Slow Cooker. If you've got a big family or love hosting gatherings, this 7-quart beauty is a game changer. It's a large family slow cooker dream come true. Let's talk stainless steel. This is the best stainless steel slow cooker out there. The Crock-Pot SCV 700 SBR is a manual slow cooker champ, giving you full control over your meals. And guess what? You can save 40% on the Crock-Pot 7 Manual Slow Cooker right now. Imagine coming home to the aroma of a delicious home-cooked meal ready to serve. With this 7QT wonder, that dream becomes a reality. So don't miss out on the deals. Seize the day and level up your cooking game with this fantastic slow cooker. And here's a fun thought. Black Friday lines are long, but Crock-Pot 7 Manual Slow Cooker makes waiting worth it, especially when it's this awesome. Black Friday only comes once a year, and Crock-Pot 7 Manual Slow Cooker is one deal you don't want to miss. Click the link below to get yours before it's too late. Save 40% today on this amazing product.